we've released some great new workshop webinar recordings for our patrons this weekend. Simply head over to the patron video section on our website, and depending on what level of patron you are, this is what you can look forward to on your library. So we've added, for patron levels 1 and 2, we've added 2 new videos that you can watch here. One by Joe Dowden exploring river reflections, and one by Pablo Ruben from Madrid. Then if you jump up to level 3 and 4, in addition to all the other benefits you get at this level, you've now got 4 new videos added to this library. So one with Iris Babao Uy from the Philippines, the Joe Dowden one obviously we just talked about, Jane Bettridge exploring water droplets on foliage to add that to your art, which a really simple and effective technique there, as well as the Pablo Ruben event. Then a significant step up to level 5 and above, where you get full-length workshops unlocked. And we've got a number of amazing workshops here added to this library. One by Jason Yao from Malaysia, where he deals with abstract boats. One with David Bellamy doing a waterfall in a mountain scene. One from Iris Babao Uy, where she does her full-length workshop, and that details floral, lace and ceramic in that, and she talks about how to deal with those in those pictures. And then Joe Dowden, where he does a woodland scene with river reflections, and a fantastic interpretation there, a 3-hour workshop taking you through step by step. As always, when you want to watch it, you literally, as a patron, just press watch. It takes you through to your to the relevant patron page, where you can click play and watch it. If you want to make it full screen, you just press that button there, and on this page you have all the relevant details. You've got a link through to the Facebook page, so that you can then see any paintings that were painted by the attendees of the live workshop. And then also at the bottom you can download any reference photos, in this case a sketch and a painting. I hope you enjoy these new additions to our patron library. If you're not a patron yet and want to find out more about all the different benefits that you can get by being a patron, simply visit our patrons page on our website. There's a short little video by myself explaining all the different benefits. There's also a nifty little table that explains all the different things that you unlock when you become a certain level of patron. You simply click this button and you can sign up on the patreon.com website. It's a monthly subscription. You can cancel at any time, and it not only unlocks a lot of different money-saving benefits for you if you want to take part in our longer live workshops or special events, but also it helps support us with our mission of inspiring people to give art a try, young and old alike. So thanks very much for listening, and we hope, if you are a patron, that you enjoy all the additional videos that we've added this weekend.